So I've got a fully mixed country sourdough here. This one's 85% hydration, not super high. And what I'm looking for at the end of the mix is a balance between the strength, the elasticity, and the extensibility. So the strength is how easy the dough tears. So if I pull up on it, it's not tearing at all. If it's not strong, you'll pull up on the dough and it'll rip when you're going. Now the elasticity is how much it's going to spring back when I do that. When I pull it up, it's going to be how springy it is. But you'll notice that this is nice and extensible. So when I pull on this dough, I'm able to pull it way up. There we go. And it's not tearing, it's getting real long. And you can see, so I've got my balance where the dough is strong, but it's very extensible. It can stretch really nicely, but it's holding together. You can see it's not tearing at all there. And I can also get a really nice window pane on there. Use your wet hands to get the window pane so that you don't tear it. But you can see here we've got really great gluten development. If you have the nice thin window pane that's really even, and if it tears really smoothly around the edges like that, you know you've got really good gluten development there. So just kind of work it out. You can see how good that gluten development is, which is important to get the most volume in your loaf as possible. So there you go.